Hi guys, welcome to MrsDeeva, and today's video is to provide an update to all of you about what we are doing at MrsDeeva. As you know, we help housewives and stay-at-home moms to become financially independent, and we help them in figuring out what business, remote work, or what other work they can do from their home and start earning. And apart from that, what I would also like to tell you all is that we have also started our series of experts live sessions on our channel. So this means that any aspect in which we are able to help women entrepreneurs, we are bringing up such things. So for example, we have already done a few sessions with child counselors and with our child counselor and with our content writing expert, and similarly we'll be bringing up a lot more sessions in the future for you all. And it doesn't have to necessarily be related to business. It could be anything that helps women and just make their life a bit easier. So if you are an expert who would like to do a live session with us, please do connect with me, and you can message me on WhatsApp, and you can just direct message me. So for example, as of now we are looking for someone who is an expert in finance and who could talk about recession in terms of how it affects a housewife or how it affects a mom, and what can they do to deal with this situation. So if you think that you can take such live sessions or do such live sessions on our platform, please do connect with us. As you already know that our Facebook group alone has 10,000 plus women, and we also have our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, so these videos would go on all three platforms. So this is what we wanted to discuss with you this time, and until next update, bye bye everyone.